Hey Zebra family, today we're going to be making ratatouille. Now this recipe comes from our junior chef competition winner from last season. So for this recipe you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 eggplant diced, 1 large zucchini diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 onion diced, 2 bell peppers diced, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinaigrette, half a teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of Parmesan, 1 egg, 1 croissant, and some fresh basil. So we're going to bring our mandolin in. That's going to help us slice our veggies a little bit better. Now we're going to dice it, grab a couple in a stack, and just make some dices. There you go, we got a nice dice. Now we're going to do the same to the rest of our veggies. We're going to slice them and then dice them. I love the junior chef competition. It shows the kids that they are into cooking and some of them know what they're really doing in the kitchen. But I would definitely keep an eye out because we are going to be doing the junior chef competition again for sure. I have the time right now. What we're going to do is called chiffonade. We're going to gather all our stuff together and kind of just make it little cuts just to break it apart, slice it up, and there we go, a nice chiffonade. So now that all our veggies are cut, we're going to grab our pot, our spoon, and head over to the stove. I got 2 different pots going on. I got one for my water to poach my egg, and the other one is what we're going to be using to cook the ratatouille. We're going to saute those right up. We're just going to mix it up, let them break down. We're going to add our garlic, we're going to add our sugar, and we're going to add all that thyme. We're going to give that a good stir. Look at all those colors coming together. So this recipe calls for a poached egg. It's going to be a little bit of water, and then we're just going to use a little bit of vinegar. That's going to change the pH level into our water, and it is literally that much. It is just a dash. I'm going to crack that egg, be very gentle with it, and bring it close to the water and just drop it right in. So you definitely want a slotted spoon for this because we want the water to drip out. We'll take it and just gently move our water a little bit. Make sure our eggs are not sticking to the bottom. Now it takes roughly about 5 to 7 minutes to poach an egg. You do not want rapid boiling water because it'll break up the egg white and you'll have egg whites floating all over the top. If you do, just kind of skim them off the top and just continue boiling your eggs. While the eggs are poaching, we're going to continue to just stir around our ratatouille as it breaks down. Now our eggs are fully poached. We're going to take them out slowly. Our white is totally cooked while the yellow is still soft. We're going to drain it out as much as we can and set it on some paper towels. That way it just kind of takes up and absorbs some more water that's coming off of these eggs. So our next step is that we're going to kind of toast our croissants. That's what's going to give us a crunch and kind of hold everything together. Give it a nice good spray, that way they do not stick. Take your croissant and slit a toast. Before we build this sandwich, we got to prep out some of our basil. What we're going to do is we're going to take a couple of leaves from our basil. We're going to chiffonade again, just like we did our thyme. We're going to roll it up and make nice little thin slices. So to build this sandwich, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our croissant, lay it right there in the middle. Then we're going to take some of our ratatouille. About a spoonful is all we need. And then we're gonna add that poached egg. We'll set it down right there on the top. This is where our Parmesan cheese comes into play. We'll take some of our balsamic glaze, top it off with our basil. And that's how you make the breakfast ratatouille sandwich. Get a little bit of the bread, a little bit of everything. Our yolk is wonderfully cooked. That is breakfast of champions right there. That is amazing. Thank you for joining us, and remember, it's a great day to be a zebra.